Everyone, it's Todd Webster, Ideas Editor-in-Chief, and I'm speaking to you today from my home kitchen in San Diego. First of all, I wanted to thank all of the fitness pros out there for just the great inspiration I derived from watching you spring into action last week amid this COVID-19 outbreak. Your pivot to virtual training and reaching out to your clients to stay connected was just so very inspirational to me, enough so that I am here trying to pay it forward today by doing something that knocks me out of my comfort zone, which is to make a video and to cook on camera, two things that I've never done. So thank you for that. And I mean, we'll see how this goes, but I really do want to pay it forward with something that's very meaningful to me, which is food, nutrition, and cooking. And so today I'm going to demo a recipe for you that is very much one of my it's in my regular rotation. It's my version of beans and greens, and we'll see how this goes. I will see you at the end. That is the dish, my friends. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great week. Keep inspiring. Bye.